On the weekly chart, we're going to take a look at QQQ here. That is the S&P of the Nasdaq 100. We adjusted kind of everything in here on our drawings. We're going to take this touch point that we had in here over this past week on this big volume red week that we had in here. And now we're going to use that as our lower trend line going forward. What are we looking at in here? Well, basically, we closed on the day green up around almost $5, trading at 5.90 in here, where in the Qs. On the downside, where does that kind of put us in here? Well, this lower trend line is sitting at right around that 583. That's going to be the first line of defense in here. Anything below there, you're looking at that 574. To the upside, obviously 595, then 600 is going to be key. We also have the 9-day EMA sitting at 601. So everything's kind of matching up right here. And then anything above there, nice whole numbers working our way up to those all-time highs in 670, 637, that is. Ivy rank in here is sitting at 41. Obviously, volatility throughout the whole market has increased. Now we're looking at right around a $9 expected move being priced in by Monday, Tuesday, $12, Wednesday, 14, Friday, looking at 16. So shortened week coming up. Usually what we get on shortened weeks is a little bit of a bullish push. So let's see if we can get a little bit more recovery in here, perhaps some consolidation up here closer to these 600s, and then see where we end up as we go into Thanksgiving here, and then see where we end at that shortened session on Friday. So overall, again, what are we looking at in here? 590 is where we're trading. We're looking at that 600 and that 601 mark right here. To the downside, 583 and then 575. Anything above those 600s, nice whole numbers working our way up to those all-time highs at 637 again. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.